Hello from Seoul? Yes, we all love chicken wings, but aren't you just getting sick and tired of eating the same buffalo wings? From now, don't worry about it. If you invest just 15 minutes or a little more, you will have one of the best chicken wings that you've ever had. Alright, are you guys ready? Let's get started. Today, we are making two types of chicken wings. Soy sauce based chicken wings and the one with gochujang, your all-time favorite Korean condiment. They're super easy to make and packed full of umami, so you're gonna love them so much. Also, since they don't need to be deep fried, there's no reason not to try them, right? Alright, let's start off with soy sauce chicken wings. For this, you will need chicken wings, garlic, green onions, shishito peppers, ginger, and some dried chilies. We're not making spicy chicken wings, but if you add some dried chilies here, they're gonna add a nice kick to it and make it more delicious, so I strongly recommend using it. First, let's prep the vegetables. Cut some shishito peppers into nice bite-sized pieces. That will add an amazing fragrance to your dish. Trust me, you will be surprised by how ordinary chicken wing can actually taste like the one from a fancy restaurant. What? You're not sure if you can handle the spiciness? Don't worry about it, they're not spicy. Well, sometimes you can get some aliens, but that's life. You know, life is a series of risks, so if that happens, I'm not responsible. Next, garlic. Smash 5 cloves of garlic and finely chop it. If you're a big fan of garlic, use 10 or 15 cloves of garlic. Trust me, they'll be even more fantastic. And once that's done, thinly slice some green onions. Today, shishito peppers will take care of everything instead of our lovely green onion. So sadly, we don't need a lot of this. And for information, we're gonna use the green part for garnish and the white part for aromatic oil. So please keep them separately. This time, finely chop a small piece of ginger. What? Your wife hates ginger? So you think you're gonna sleep on the couch tonight because of this? Then just grate it. I've been secretly doing this for ages, but she never knows. And I'm still alive. Now let's make a sauce. In a small container, add 2.5 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of honey, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon of mirin, half a tablespoon of chicken bouillon powder, a quarter cup of water, and give it a good mix. And then, depending on your preference, add 1 or 2 dried chilies. Since this is not a spicy version, let me just use 1 Vietnamese dried chili. This time, let's prep our chicken wings. Now you could just use it right now, but if you make cuts between the bones, our beautiful sauce can get into the meat inside, and they'll be more fantastic. Once that's done, pat them dry with paper towels. After that, season with salt and pepper and lightly coat them with some cornstarch. Make sure they're evenly coated and shake off the excess. Here, some of you might think it seems like a huge hassle, but the cornstarch is not only gonna crisp up the skin, but it's also gonna help absorb more of the sauce. Alright, everything is ready to go. Let's get cooking. Add 3 tablespoons of oil to a pan and heat it over medium heat. Once it gets nice and hot, add in your wings and cook for about 8 to 10 minutes or until they're golden brown. Here, make sure to move them around or gently shake your pan like this so that they're all crispy and beautifully golden brown. Once they're cooked through, remove from the pan and set them aside. Now into this beautiful oil, add your garlic, green onion, ginger, and saute for about 1 minute. Trust me, all the good flavors will come out and take it to a whole new world. Now pour in your sauce and bring it to a boil over high heat. And once it comes to a boil, add all of your wings and toss everything together for about 2 to 3 minutes or until the chicken is nicely coated. Last but not least, add your shishito peppers and give them a quick stir. Here, if you let them in the pan too long, they're gonna lose their beautiful green color, and that's not gonna look pretty. So about 30 seconds will be perfect. Alright, let's place them on a plate and finish it off with some toasted sesame seeds and green onions. That's it, but if it's your wife's birthday, I recommend adding some red chilies on top. This little detail will let you sleep in the bed, not on the couch. Alright, it's done. Let's coat our taste tester. Claire?
Wow, it looks and smells amazing. 와, 너무 예쁘다. Look at the sauce. Looks nice and glossy and sticky. Let's try it. 진짜 맛있네. 소스가 약간 좀 찐득하게 졸여진 게 그게 닭에 너무 잘 배가지고 진짜 맛있네. 닭 속안에서 왜 마늘인가 생강의 향이 샥 올라오는 게 그것도 너무 맛있는걸? 왜 다른 딥프라이한 치킨 윙들처럼 엄청 크리스피한 그런 거는 아닌데 왜 전분 때문인지 약간 쫀득거리면서 바삭거리는 그 느낌이 너무 좋아. 근데 그게 이 소스를 쫙 빨아당길 수 있게 그런 도와주는 역할을 하는 것 같아. 너무 잘 배고 맛있다. 아직 먹어보진 않았는데 꽈리고추에서 오는 향이 코를 막 자극하는 게 미치게 만드네. Speaking of 시시토 peppers, let me try it. 맛있다. 너무 잘했다. 날개. 이번엔 날개를 한번 먹어보자. This bad boy looks delicious. Let me try it. Again, nice and sticky, so delicious. 이거 꼭 이렇게만 안 먹고 밥이랑 먹어도 맛있겠다. 짭조름해가지고 밥이랑 잘 어울릴 것 같아. 아니면 밥 위에다가 막 탁처럼 막 싸가지고 덮밥처럼 먹어도 비주얼 미칠 것 같아. 너무 맛있을 것 같은데?
This time, let's make gochujang chicken wings. This bad boy will be easier than the first one, so don't be surprised. For this, you will need chicken wings, green onions, garlic, and ginger. Again, these aromatics will add an amazing flavor and make your wings taste gourmet. But getting one of these sounds like too much work for you? Don't worry about it. Our gochujang will take care of everything, like a superhero. Since the cooking process is pretty much the same as the first one, let me walk you through this real quick. First, finish slice some green onions. Since we had shish peppers in the first dish, we used green onion as a garnish. But this time, it's gonna work like a hero, so be super generous with this. Remember, more green onion, more delicious. Next, finely chop 5 cloves of garlic. It doesn't always have to be fresh garlic, so if you have this kind of minced or grated garlic, just use it. That'll be a lot easier and faster. And then grate a small piece of ginger. All you need is just half a teaspoon. That's it. Now let's move on to the sauce. In a small container, add 2 tablespoons of Korean chili pepper flakes, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 2 tablespoons of Korean chili paste, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, half a tablespoon of chicken bouillon powder, 1 tablespoon of corn syrup, 2 tablespoons of mirin, a quarter cup of water, and give that a good mix. So simple, right? This time, let's prep our wings. Just like the first one, make small cuts in the chicken, pat them dry, season with salt and pepper, and coat them with some cornstarch. That's it. Couldn't be any easier, right? Alright, it's cooking time. Let's add 3 tablespoons of oil to a pan and heat it over medium heat. Once it's heated, add all of your chicken wings and cook for about 8 to 10 minutes. Once they're cooked through and beautiful golden brown, remove from the pan and set them aside. To the same pan, add the garlic, green onions, ginger, and let them cook for about 1 minute. As I said earlier, this step will take it to the next level, so please don't skip this step and let them release their flavor. Once your kitchen smells wonderful, pour the sauce you made and bring it to a boil. Once it starts to bubble, add all of your wings and toss everything together until the chicken is nice and coated. Alright, our chicken looks beautiful. Let's place them on a serving plate and finish it off with a little bit of toasted sesame seeds and green onions. How was it? It's incredibly simple, right? Alright, let's see how it tastes. Claire?
Again, it looks great. Alright, let's try it. 맛있다. 말 그대로 진짜 finger licking 굿이다. 약간 아까 그 간장 소스에 비해서는 이렇게 뭔가 소스가 막 반짝반짝 거린다거나 그런 게 아니잖아. 그래서 혹시 소개가 조금 건조하진 않을까? 약간 생각은 들었었거든? You don't have to worry about it. 전혀 걱정 안 해도 되고 너무 촉촉하니 맛있고 그 고추장 소스 있잖아. 약간 탄 것 같으면서도 그 불맛이 나는 게 예술이야. 고추장이 안 그래도 그냥 원래 풍미가 되게 가득하잖아. 근데 그게 카라멜라이즈가 되면서 확 치솟았어. 한 100배. Now I want some beverage. I have two options, Sprite and beer. 뭐가 좋을래?
Today, I showed you two types of Korean-style chicken wings. As you can see, as long as you have the ingredients, it won't take more than 15 minutes. So if you're sick and tired of eating the same buffalo wings, this is the way to go. Alright, this is it for today, and I'll see you next time.